Hey there, Marcus here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Pixabay module in combination with the OpenAI module and how we can generate basically from this article, or there's basically some tourist information. I asked ChatGPT to create for me about Paris, and say now that we want to auto-generate a header image from stock photos for this. This is basically what we're going to do, and we're going to use chaining for this, meaning that we actually need to do this in 2 steps. So this is Drupal. If you don't know Drupal since before, or the AI Interpolator module, in the description of the video there's going to be links. There's also links that explains what the AI Interpolator module is, and the reasoning why I built it, basically, or why we built it in our company. Everything is open source. After you looked at this video, you can download it and just replicate it. So let's get started. We start with logging in. So we have a content type now called article, where we have the actual text then. Now what we basically want to do is to search on Pixabay. So Pixabay, I can show you here, is a stock image database that's actually royalty free, so you're allowed to use these. So I could of course go in here, search for an image, take that and upload that to an image field and so on. But we want to automate this because maybe we have, for some reason, we have 1,000 articles and we want to automate this. Could be a reasoning behind this, right? So where we start is that we want to create a text plain field, so just a short field where we want to create a search word based on the article. We call this image search word. Just one, we don't need many. We enable the AI interpolator. We're going to use the OpenAI string, so it takes any text and uses a prompt to rewrite this. So based on the article, so based on the context, please write 1 or 2 words that can be used in a stock photo database, be used as search words in a stock photo database. Use simple words. So basically shouldn't use very complex words, because the Pixabay search is not based on AI, so it can't recognize complex words. It just searches on the words that whoever took the photo put in, right? Context, we open the placeholders, and this is gonna be the context then. And we just take the raw text, we don't care about the HTML and so on. We can put it in batch, so we see the progress. We put GPT-4 as well. We don't have to set a role in this case. We can have moderation on. But in this case, we need to create another step, of course. So we need to have an image field. So an image field where we actually put the header image, we call it in this case, because we want this image to show up on our website as the main image for this article, right? We just want one image. We're not gonna set up anything special there. We disable the alt field for now. And here we enable the AI interpolator. So the rule we're gonna use in here is Pixabay image fetcher. We want to generate one image, right? And we want to base that on the image search word. And here comes the next important step then. We're gonna use the batch. It's very important that we set a higher weight than the weight of search words getting created, because of course the search word has to exist before the actual image search happens. Otherwise there's going to be like a race condition in our AI chain. So, and that's it. So now we're gonna go, I will mention, you will see this in the form and you will see it in the view of the article. So if you're actually setting up a CMS, you should of course hide the search word. The image search words makes no sense in this case. In theory, I could also fill out the search word manually here, and it would use that search word to fill the header image then. But anyway, we save and we have the progress bar that will have two steps in this case, because first we're creating the search word, and then we're using the API service to use the search word to download the image then. So we have a picture outside the Louvre, and it used a very simple image search word Paris, right? And yeah, that's it basically. It's not more complex than this. You can automate fetching your header images using this. So yeah, thanks for watching.